Morning Dan, alright?
Hi, morning, how are you? Okay.
Yeah, good thanks. So Dan, your role at Dodrefn Gardd is to do what?
It's to look after the summer living area. I look after the furniture, sell the furniture, got water features, everything sort of outdoor in your garden you like to enjoy really.
So we're in the garden furniture area now.
Yes.
Can you tell us what's the best selling product of 2017?
Well, at the moment our best selling range is the Monterey range, which is this one of the sets we have. This is the square casual dining set. It's been very popular with our customers this year, as well as the sofa sets, which we have just over here, along with the reclining set as well. So they've both been very popular this year.
So Dan, what's new this year then?
This year, apart from the new ranges, which is obviously the Monterey, they have introduced new season-proof cushions to the Monterey and the Oak Ridge sets as well. So what that means is that there now is a waterproof layer inside the cushion. So obviously you see the strip here. If any water penetrates the outer layer, then it's able to escape through this strip, which obviously allows customers to leave their cushions outside during the spring, during the summer. As long as we don't expect a very long period of rain, it's fine. They can be left outside overnight, so it's pretty fine.
Would you advise covers at all?
We do advise covers during the winter months, because obviously it can be quite wet and windy during those times. It's just to give the added protection really, because you don't have to cover them obviously, because it's aluminium frame, it's all season proof weave, so it's fine against a frost, anything like that. So, but if you want to look after your furniture even more, you just put a cover over it. Quite good.
Can you just show us? I think if you had a garden now at home, what's the best one? What would you buy here at Dodrefn Gardd to put in your garden?
To put in my garden, I would choose probably the Libra set over here, just the casual dining set in the corner here. Basically, because also it's a new set again, I like the grey colour of it, and it's probably the perfect size for the amount of family members I have. So, and obviously the spring offer is very good on it. There's a reasonable price, and it's one of my favourites here.
So this weekend, bank holiday coming up.
Yes.
What's the best thing to do?
Best thing to do is to come down here to Dodrefn Gardd and get your furniture ready for if you've got family members coming down for the bank holiday. Obviously, yes, it's especially on our spring offer as well. It's a very good price and obviously very good quality furniture as well.
Great. So we hope to see you all soon, guys.